Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Gotcha, boy.
Did you know you can pierce your ears at home? Oh my gosh, I got these awesome things from SHEIN. Shop your everyday value must-haves here at SHEIN by searching NQD3R. All right, guys, keep watching. Watch this whole process, and my daughter Addison gets her ears done. I'm so scared because I really want to get my second holes, and I haven't done that. I've been wanting it for like 20 years. So I bought these on SHEIN. And there's only 4. So 2 for me and 2 for Addison. If she wants it done. If she don't want it done, okay, fine. But she says she wants it done. I want mine done. I'm scared though. So I got this alcohol, and I cleaned the infected area. It's not infected, but I cleaned it with some alcohol. Oh, I'm so scared. I Googled on like where to put it. So it's like right in the middle, and then you can put another one up there. Guys, I'm so scared. That's too high. Shoot. I think that's too high. How am I going to get a third one if I ever want a third one? Oh, there's like a dimple right there. Let's just try right there. Does that look okay? Now, my ear holes, this one got ripped down, so it's lower than this one. And I've been trying for like 20 years to pull this one down. So if that one's there, let's see. Can't do this. Those don't look even, do they? Shoot, I'm not good at this. All right, I'm gonna get my husband to do this. I'm so scared. Babe, will you come help me put my dots in my ear? Because I don't think they're even. Right now, I'm ready. What? You gonna watch me get mine done first?
I'm way too scared to do it first.
All right, y'all ready? Here, hold this. Hold my phone up. No, I'm just gonna record it because I'm scared. I'm super scared, guys. Keep it steady. You're not gonna put on a shirt? I'm recording you. Whatever.
Don't! What's wrong with you?
Okay. Oh, look. Production date 2025 10/11. I'm so scared.
How do you think I feel watching you do this?
I don't know.
And knowing that I'm doing it next. How do you think I feel? If you cry, what do you think what reaction do you think I am?
You can't get, I don't think so. All right, don't touch the needle.
Oh, heck no.
You're not doing it?
Heck no.
Oh,
heck
Christopher,
no.
you showed him exactly.
Oh, heck no.
Don't touch the needle.
Why is it?
Just hold on. And I gotta get center of the camera. Oh my gosh. All right.
Oh, you're gonna do it at the same time?
Yes. That's why you're both here. You're
Scaredy
both
cat.
gonna do it at the exact same time, so I don't have to feel it twice. So, Avery, Christopher, you double check the way he's lining up.
Oh,
so you
yeah.
line it up, Avery, and then y'all count down at the same time.
Are you dead center? Yeah.
Looks like it.
Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Gotcha, boy.
Hey, come get this off my ears! Can you get that off without hurting me? Because I'm hurting already.
Why you're hurting already?
Yeah, it hurt.
The tears are coming. Addie's next. Do it at once. Be fine.
Of her skin. Let me make. Does it hurt? Does it really
That
hurt?
little bitty needle ain't gonna hurt you.
Does it really hurt?
It don't hurt anymore. It's more of me being scared.
Actually, does it really hurt?
Yes, it hurts. Where's my earrings? Let me have my other earring. Oh, thank you. Let me have my.
Third time's the charm.
Okay. So it doesn't hurt anymore. But yes, it hurt. Whenever it went in, for sure.
I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
Did I cry?
A little. I saw your eyes water
Sure can't
when
find
you
my other hole.
screamed. When you screamed.
Yeah.
Imagine me be double earing. Oh. Imagine me walking into school with. Oh wait, imagine I get 3, 4, 5.
No.
5th. Imagine I get 5. Oh,
Does this look pretty or no?
I don't know.
You don't know.
It's the blue part that's messing me up.
Well, get the blue part off.
Mom.
Yeah.
I think.
Thank you, SHEIN, for sponsoring my awesome channel. We love SHEIN. Make sure to search my search code right there on the screen. All the links are in the comments and the description of the video. I love you guys. Guess what? Addie's next.
So the second one for this one? That one? Yeah, the one closest to the original hole.
I might bust a tooth out of.
Bust a tooth out.
Yeah.
Are you going to be scared?
Well, what do you think?
I don't know.
I don't even want to look at the needle.
It's less than a needle for a shot.
Let me see it.
Don't even say the word shot or needle, Avery.
All right, hold it up. Let me look.
Stop.
That's not even an inch.
Don't touch
That's
the
not even
needle.
half an inch.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Wait.
Just line it up, and then they'll count it down like they did me.
Oh, yeah.
Excuse me, go on 2.
I mean 3.
Excuse me.
Don't jerk. Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, don't jerk.
Yeah,
Wait,
just
I
sit
might
still.
hiccup. Wait.
See.
Yeah, you gotta stay.
What was that noise?
Nothing. Are you ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Does it hurt?
What do you?
Are you gonna cry?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Taking the things off.
What things?
Merry Christmas. There you go.
Ah, that hurt.
I think you did way better than me. I think you did way better than me.
Booty cheeks. Ow.
Are you excited? Now put these back on. Here, put these back on. Move. Let me see if these will fit.
Hold on.
Oh my goodness.
Let my ears calm down. That hurt. Why did that hurt so bad?
Think your ears have calmed down.
No.